It is. It is almost the end of finals. We're here at Harvard University at Gutman Library, and 3 little munchkins have taken over the area. This is munchkin number 1, Olin. Munchkin number 2, Quetzali, and here comes Amaru. Oh, I just got attacked. Oh, I just got attacked. You gotta understand, for Mexican kids, from California, this is all new to us. Oh man. Oh, good times, good times. We're here. It's about to be the end of 2013. Really thankful. Oh, just enjoying ourselves. Can't see, can't see, can't see. What you doing over here, Mr. Snow Angel? Good times, good times. With the snow coming down hard, it's official. The kids have taken over Cambridge, and look at these kids gone wild. Oh no! Especially Paisa kids gone wild. Harvard edition. Oh! You put Mexicans in snow, even if they're on the sidewalk, and look at them. They cuckoo. This is officially Paisa's gone wild. #1 Paisa right there.